Hey everyone, this is Kelvin from BlackSunComics.com, and welcome to another edition of DAZ Quick Tips. Today I'm going to show you how I save and load the characters that I create in DAZ Studio. But before I begin, I'm going to give a quick little disclaimer. This is not the only way to save and load characters. This is just what I do. It works for me. I remember back when I got DAZ Studio a few years ago, back in 2011, I started using it, I believe. I tried doing character presets, but for some reason that didn't work out for me. I'm not sure why, I don't remember. So I ended up doing the method that I'm about to show you now. For those of you who do use character presets, leave a comment in the comment section below and enlighten us. So let's begin. So this is a character that I've created in DAZ Studio. Well, obviously in DAZ Studio, and she is a mix of Genesis 3 female morphs and Victoria 4 morphs applied to a Genesis base figure. You can click the link in the video to see my tutorial video on how to, transfer morphs from different generations of Genesis to a different generation of Genesis. But regardless, once you've worked on your character and you've saved and you're happy with how it looks, you'll want to save it so that you can use it in a scene later on. The way I do this is pretty simple. I just go over to my file menu and I save as a scene. Right? And the reason why I do that is because not only will it save the base figure, it will also save all the morphs that I've applied to that base figure. It will save the hair that I've used on this base figure. It will also save the clothes and any modifications that I made using shaders or just changing colors. I believe this is a Dragon Queen dress and I changed the color of the dress. So I've already saved it. As you can see here, it says Dragon Queen, but I'm going to save it again just to show you. So I'll save it as a scene. And this is the default scene location, and I'll just call this Dragon Queen -1 because why not? So I'm going to save it. I'll let DAZ do its thing. Cool. Now that's saved. Now, let's say days later I'm working on something new. I'm working on an environment, and then I want to use this character in that environment. So I'll show you what I mean. I'm going to open a new instance of DAZ. So this is fresh. I'll go over to my Smart Content tab. I don't want lights. Let's go to Environments. And I'll just choose this Abandoned City Part 2. And I believe this is a stonemason model. I love stonemason models, by the way. Okay, so here we go. Now I want to load the character that I just created into this environment here. So now what I do is I go over to my, Smart Content tab. I'm going to maneuver up and go to Saved Files. Make sure it's you have Products selected, right? So not Files, but Products. And then I'm going to go to Saved Files, Local User, double-click on that, and be mindful of this drop-down here. Mine defaulted to Recent First, but yours might default to A to Z. So Recent First, and here's the Dragon Queen 1 character. And now don't double click it. I used to make that mistake. So I'm right clicking on it, and then this context menu appears, and then I'm going to choose Merge into Scene. And then DAZ will load that character into the scene. And there we go. That's how you do it. Whoops. I really need a new laptop. And then you can go ahead and pose this character and do whatever you need to do. So that's basically the method that I use for creating characters. I usually will create my character first, and when I'm happy with that, I'll save it as a scene. Then later on, I'll start building the scene and then merge my characters into the scene using the method that you just saw there. So hopefully that helps. If you haven't done so already, please visit BlackSunComics.com where you can download a free preview of my graphic novel, Black Sun: The Longest Night. If you like this video, please click like and subscribe. Be sure to check out some of the other tutorial videos on this channel. And until next time, take care. Peace.